AMC Upper Primary Question 25. In this puzzle, each circle should contain an integer. Each of the 5 lines of 4 circles should add 40. When the puzzle is completed, what is the largest number used? So, as you can see from this star, we already have 3 circles filled in. So, we need to figure out this. So 7 plus 2 is 9, and then 9 plus 15 is 24. 40 minus 24 gives us 16. So that circle is 16. Now to find this other circle, we have 8 plus 16 plus 9. So 24 plus 9 is 33, so we put a 7 there. Now here comes the hard part. These 3 circles, we need to find a combination that can fit them in. So 7 and 9 gives us 16. So 20, we need 24 there. Something, a number that, two numbers that add up to 24 there. Here, because it's 8 and 15, which gives us 23, we have to find something that adds up to 17. And this one, we have to find a number that adds up to 31 because of 2 plus 7, which is 9. So if we can find 24's numbers, let's say we have 19 and 5 here, that gives us 24 and gives us 40 as well. So 5 plus number is 12, and 19 plus 12 is also 31, and 5 plus 12 is 17. So, and the biggest number is 19 in this case. So, as you can, the answer to this question is E, 19.